How to find journals on Scopus. In today's video, I will show you how to find journals on Scopus. Step 1. Go to the Scopus website. If you don't have access, you can usually log in through your university or institution. Step 2. Once you're in the homepage, click on the Sources tab located at the top of the page. Step 3. In the Sources section, you will find a search bar. Here you can enter the journal title or keywords related to your research topic. You can also filter results by subject area, publisher, or journal type. Step 4. To refine your search, use the filters on the left side of the page. You can sort by metrics like CiteScore, SJR, and SNP to find journals with high academic impact. Step 5. Once you've found a journal that interests you, click on its title to see more details, including the journal scope, recent articles, and that's it. Now you know how to find journals on Scopus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.